Hey guys, so today we'll be unboxing this. This is the Google Home Hub. So it's the first time I'm looking at it, so I thought I'll unbox it with you guys. So let's just quickly look at the box. As you can see at the front, you get the Google Home Hub image. So this comes in two colors. At the bottom here it just says help. Help has a new name. Google Home Hub is now Google Nest Hub. So they've just changed the branding. On the sides you just got some of the commands that you can do and some of the features that work with it. So you've got Google Calendar, Google Maps, you've got Nest products, you've got YouTube Music, Spotify. So that's good. So it takes Spotify as well. And you got Google Photos and Google Assist. Looking at the other side, you got far field microphone, so it picks up voice depending on your distance. You have a light sensor and you have a 7-inch touch display screen. So the light sensor is meant to be good, so it's meant to allow for, depending on what time of the day it is or how bright the room is, it will adjust the screen's light like a mobile phone. So then at the bottom here you see you've got a full range speaker, so the whole base of the tablet is a speaker. It has voice match, multi-room audio, Bluetooth 5.0, which is really good. Works with Android and iOS, and 2.4 to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Like so. And you're introduced to the tablet straight away. Looks really nice and small. So let's just quickly put that to one side. See what's under here. So first thing you're introduced to after the tablet is the manual. Just quite a simple guide, won't need to follow much. Then on the right hand side you get the plug, like so, and it's a USB type. Ooh, no, it's not. It's a proprietary charging unit. If you can see it there, which is a shame, which means you can't just use any cable. That's one good thing about the Google Nest hubs, the smaller ones, the minis. They use the micro USB. So this means you would have to buy a replacement charger if you need it, and it won't just plug in anyway. So on the left hand side you get another box, but I think it's empty. Yeah, that's it. So there's nothing else in the box, guys. So now let's just look at the actual tablet itself. So this is a 7-inch tablet. It looks tiny, guys. I'm not used to such a small. It's almost the size of my phone screen. Slightly a bit more wider. Feels fairly light. So it's really nice on the hands. Bezels are quite big. But again, this one comes in with the built-in sensor. So you have the light detector sensor, and it has the mics to pick up the voice and depending on the distance. So looking around, you get your volume toggle, you get your mute option so that Google cannot listen to you, privacy mode. So this one here, the only issue is, unless you're getting the Max, this one doesn't have a built-in camera, so you cannot do video calls, which is a bit of a shame. I know the Amazon Alexa one does have a camera, but I just felt this one is slightly faster. Looking at reviews, and it tends to connect with a lot more products. So at the back you can see this grey mesh. Feels quite nice. It's quite hot, rough textured at the back, and then at the bottom, like traditional Google, they've got the Google rubber base, which also feels really nice. Got a nice texture to it. There's the power port. And other than that, it doesn't look like there's any other buttons, guys. That's about it. Yeah, normal buttons. So just pretty much it, guys. So what I will do is do an updated video of installing it and getting it all set up with all my smart home devices. So please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Peace out.